Hello there, aspiring codesmiths. Welcome to the first ever video on TheFunctionForge.com, where we take raw coding concepts, heat them up in the furnace of understanding, and hammer them into shape on the anvil of learning. I will be your professional codesmith and guide on this journey. As you might have guessed by now, I am indeed an AI voice. My text-to-speech is generated using a simple Python script and the AWS API. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community of ambitious codesmiths. In today's episode, we're diving into an essential question. Why choose Python? Whether you're a coding newbie, a veteran looking to expand your language repertoire, or somewhere in between, this short video will provide you with a few of the main reasons that make Python a great coding language to learn. So, why Python? Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, versatile, reliable, and remarkably user-friendly. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's get into it. First off, Python is highly readable. It's designed to be easy to understand, with a syntax that's clean and simple, making it a favorite amongst beginners. Look at this code. With Python, what you see is pretty much what you get. No complicated symbols or hard to read syntax. Ever heard that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication? Well, Python is the embodiment of that principle. Python is straightforward, with an emphasis on simplicity and readability. Its syntax is clean and easy to understand, much like reading English. There's no clutter of curly braces, semicolons, or complex structures that you might find in other languages. This simplicity does not compromise its power, though. Python makes it easy to focus on solving problems, rather than wrestling with complicated syntax. So, you can hit the ground running and start building right away. Simplicity and power. That's Python. Next up, versatility. Python's got it in spades. Whether you're into web development, data analysis, AI, or automation, Python has the tools to make it happen. With powerful libraries like Django for web development, Pandas for data analysis, or TensorFlow and PyTorch for AI, Python's got you covered. And then there's the Python community. It's huge, it's active, and it's incredibly supportive. Having trouble with your code? Want to contribute to open source projects? The Python community's got your back. And hey, when you choose Python, you're in good company. Tech giants like Google, Netflix, and NASA are just a few of the big names using Python. So there you have it, folks. Python's readability, versatility, and a vibrant community make it a powerful tool in any codesmith's arsenal. But don't just take our word for it. Join us in this video series where we cover everything from Python's basic syntax to in-depth topics like object-oriented programming, data structures, error handling, file I/O, web development with Flask and Django, and data analysis using Pandas, Matplotlib, and NumPy. Ready to become a Python codesmith? Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, codesmiths. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow coders. Remember to subscribe to TheFunctionForge.com and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Keep those coding hammers swinging, and we'll catch you on the next forge. Happy coding!